Hello, so it's finally quiz time again, and the content of this quiz will be the vocabularies from lesson 36. So if you haven't studied or watched the video, please try to watch lesson 6 and the quization video first. The first question, what is want in Chinese? So we have A, 做 B, 想 C, 站 and D, 需要. So which one do you think is correct here? So 做 is sit down, 想 is want, 站 is stand up, and 需要 is need. So the right answer for this question is B, 想. Moving on to the next one. What is separate in Chinese? So we have A, 走, B, 飞, C, 分手, and D, 分开. So I will give you time to think. Zo is walk, fei is fly, 分手 is break up, and 分开 is separate. So separate in Chinese is 地分开,分开. The next question, what is stand up in Chinese? We have A 站, B 分开, C 走, and D 想. So let's try to guess first. Zhan is stand up, 分开 is separate, 走 is walk, and 想 is want. So the right answer for this question is A, 站. Moving on to the next question, what is fly in Chinese? So we have A, 分手, B, 做, C, 飞, and D, 需要. So which one do you think is the right answer? So 分手 is break up, 坐 is sit down, 飞 is fly, and 需要 is need. So fly in Chinese is 飞, 飞. The next question, what is sit in Chinese? We have A, 坐, B, 分开, C, 需要, and D, 站. So I will give you time to think and guess. So 坐 is sit, 分开 is separate, 需要 is need, and 站 is stand up. So sit in Chinese is A, 坐. The next question here, what is walk in Chinese? We have A, 想, B, 走, C, 分手, and D, 飞. Which one do you think is the correct answer here? So 想 is want, So is walk, Funshou is break up, and Fei is fly. So the right answer for this question is B. So, so moving on to the next question, what is break up in Chinese? We have A. Funshou, B. Funkai, C. So, and D. Zan. So please try to guess first. So Funshou is break up, Funkai is separate, So is walk, Zan is stand up. So break up in Chinese is A. 分手, 分手. The next question, what is need in Chinese? So we have A. 非, B. 想, C. 需要, and D. 做. So I will give you time to think first. So 飞 is fly, 想 is want, 需要 is need, and 坐 is sit down. So the right answer for this question is C. 需要. So actually that's all for today's quiz. Don't forget to go through it at least one more time. And how many questions that you got right out of those 8 questions? By the way, good job guys. I will see you on our next lesson.